My name is Brother Peter Anamo, also known as Prophet Peter Anamo, speaking from the office of the prophet to the nations, and has even been labeled Doomsday Prophet. It's very interesting. In this our world that we live in, negativity is promoted always more than positivity. So I understand that. Our media world has also evolved and developed, matured up. That media men and women, news people, the journalists will do everything, go every length to get their news trend or hit or make impact. And I understand that. And that is good job to do. In 2011, disaster hit Japan, hit Europe, and now was lingering around West African coast. And as the office of the prophet to the nation, my duty is to make sure life is preserved, saved, property is protected. So what will I do? I gave a press release, interacted with the media to send a message to the people. And the media came and asked, what will we do? I said, let's get the people understand and know that we need to come to the point of repentance so that we can attract the mercy of God and be saved from this disaster. The media went to their places. I am not there. And they fixed their headings. Some said, I said the world is coming to an end. Some even gave date and time. Some said all kinds of things. I do not work in the media. But at the end of the day, they were able to get the people, understand the message, were ready to do what I said. And it is in the records. Ghana got the highest rating when it comes to righteousness. 9th workers changed their lives and behaved decent. 9 clubs were closed. The whole streets were empty. Even the police said crime rate has dropped down. Wonderful things happened. Why? Because of what the prophet told the people. And at the end of the day, we got our result. God had mercy, and the disaster that hit other places did not hit us. The records are there. But we didn't promote that positiveness. But rather, people have been raised in life that when a prophecy comes, it must happen, whether bad or good. No, that is wrong. The true office of a prophet is to prevent what is bad. That is why it is known to say he reveals to redeem. Why will God reveal it? He wants it to be redeemed. But because of lack of knowledge, people do not know that. Beloved, thank you for your time, because I just wanted to make things clear so that we can set the records right. Thank you so much. God bless you.